Thank you, Vijay, for allowing me to say a few words for Guruji and his work. I think everything that I wanted to say has already been covered by Dr. Nanda very eloquently. So I'll be repeating myself, and henceforth, I'll shift my focus in not only thanking Guruji, which has been already amplified, um, as I said, but I would take this opportunity and say thank you to Vijaya and Girija for arranging this conference, as well as here, your team for a successful webinar or International Yoga Day seminar that you have hosted with the amazing line of speakers. And the humility that Dr. Nanda talked about in Guruji can be easily seen and witnessed in words of his daughter Vijaya here, who attributes everything to the elders and their blessings and intend to pass on to the future generation. So such is the quality of the family, and such is the genes in Guruji's children that don't bear, that don't need any testimony or that don't need any proof, and can be easily witnessed and perceived by anybody who is hearing these words from their mouth. And enough said, I offer my salutations to Guruji and his team, especially the teachers that he trained in Milwaukee, who are relentlessly continuing the yoga program here at Hindu Temple of Wisconsin, even during the days of the pandemic, using Zoom as the platform. And we have a regular attendance of 15 to 20 participants and many more perhaps in future. And on the same note, I would also encourage other viewers or listeners of this program to avail Utsahi Yoga Foundation's YouTube channel or Facebook page for learning the yoga for their daily and consistent practice if they do not have one. I have personally attended Vijaya's Facebook sessions of yoga, and they are very simple, very non-intimidating, and very easy to follow, and very slow-paced, or good pace, I should say, and easily comprehensible and easily doable, even for the beginners. And at any stage of the life and at any stage of things that we're going through our life, if we were to inculcate yoga into our practice, we will go a long way, and we'll be all aging gracefully, as well as we will be embodiment for inspiration of the younger generations and the children who are now entering into a different world by virtue of the technology. With the distractions being more, there's even greater need for the importance of the mindfulness that Dr. Nanda talked about. And Utsahi Yoga Foundation is doing a great job in this respect, and I would encourage every viewer and other friends and family to avail the opportunity for their future yoga practice considerations. Thank you again, Guruji, for allowing us to be here and for bringing us from where we were to where we are. And we have a long way to go. And hopefully with your inspiration and with your qualities that we're trying to embody, we may continue to serve the humanity and do greater good in this short lifespan that we have between the birth and the death. In between, we got to do our best as we can with the help of the yoga practice. Supple mind is what is needed, with a supple body, as was mentioned by Mr. Mahishi, and yoga can allow us to do that at any and every stage of life. Thank you once again, Guruji, for starting us with the yoga and for allowing us to be here.